What's up guys, it's Seb here from Wolfio, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to quickly remove any TikTok watermark from your videos on mobile. So first things first, go ahead and open up your TikTok account and then search for whichever video you want to download. Once you found a video you want to download, click on it, and then you want to click on the three dots right here and then select copy link. From here you want to head over to Safari or Google Chrome, and then you want to type in SnapTik. Now I'm going to click on the first link that appears, the snaptik.app. We'll also leave the link to that in the description down below so you can go ahead and click on it. And then what you're going to do is just paste in the URL that you copied and then press download. Now going to take about a few seconds to load. You'll then see download server 1 and download server 2. Click on either of those and then it will allow you to download the video. So let's go ahead and try it server 1. We can see we've got an ad, so we're going to go ahead and click on the cross right here. And now it's going to prompt us, do you want to download snaptik _ then a bunch of numbers.mp4. Press download. You can press view if you want to check it just in case. And then you'll see on the top left, there'll be a download button. Click on downloads. And then as you can see, you've now downloaded your video. So we go ahead, we can view it right here. And boom, we've now downloaded our TikTok video for free without a watermark, super easily. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and if you want to see how to download your TikTok videos on desktop, then click on the button up here or take you straight to that video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.